grandmother gives too much homework and I don't get to play.
I know, sweetheart. We'll figure it out together.
I don't want gives too much homework and I don't get to play.
I know, sweetheart. Let's find a little time for play, okay?
What if I promise you a surprise when to come back from school?
Your favorite chocolate ice cream. 3 scoops.
I won't cry today, Mom.
Let's all practice writing the letter B together, class.
Tomorrow I'll go again, but you'll go free next time.